Hi, I'm Dr. Nitin, Chief Medical Officer here at GetScanned. I've been fortunate to have run my own independent GP practice for several years now. And one problem that we often encounter is booking private scans for our patients. We're all aware of the long waiting times associated with the NHS. We are seeing more and more patients accessing private services, both for advice and diagnostic procedures such as scans. It can take months, or sadly even years, to see a specialist on the NHS. And if scans are required, this can take even longer. This can lead to a delay in a diagnosis for the patient and potentially further complications with their health or a longer time for recovery. Delays can also increase patient anxiety, and this is where GetScanned comes in. We created GetScanned to make things much easier. And now I want to introduce you to how a partnership with GetScanned works and the benefits it has, both for your practice and for your patients. The main benefit of being a GetScanned partner is that your practice no longer has to do the legwork in booking scans. Our quick online referral takes less than a minute, and we handle everything from that point on. We will get in touch with your patient, arrange the scan at a time and location that works for them, and get the results back to your practice. And rather than costing your practice money, you can actually generate additional revenue from your partnership. When you join the partnership program, you will be given a dedicated secure dashboard to manage your imaging requests. Your team can refer patients directly from your dashboard by providing some basic patient information and the type of scan required. Once you refer a patient through the dashboard, GetScanned takes care of everything else. GetScanned will coordinate with the patient and book the scan. Patients can select the scan location and time to suit them, as well as completing the payment process. Once a scan is booked, your dashboard will be updated, allowing you to monitor the progress every step of the way. And once your patient has had their scan, you will receive the scan report digitally. On the dashboard, you can also look at the history of all of your patients and their reports. The GetScanned dashboard is incredibly intuitive. You can easily refer patients, track their appointment status, and view updates all in one place. It saves time and keeps you informed every step of the way. When we first discussed the idea behind GetScanned, we were focused on the goal to simplify and expedite the scan booking process for patients and practitioners. With vast experience in digital health, I took the role as Chief Medical Officer, ensuring that all aspects of the service would work well from a doctor and a patient point of view. Having a private GP clinic myself, I know what doctors want and need from a diagnostic service and wanted to make sure that this time-saving service would be available for all private clinics across the country. I've been developing GetScanned's partnership program to enable practitioners like me and my team to embrace technology and provide a comprehensive service to our patients. GetScanned is designed by doctors for doctors. What makes GetScanned different is their commitment to quality and efficiency. They have an extensive network of accredited scan centres across the UK, and their focus is always on providing excellent patient care. For me, it's about partnering with a company that shares my values to improving patient outcomes. My patients have benefited immensely from the swift and efficient service. They have access to a wider range of scanning centres, allowing them to access scans quickly, which leads to less stress and faster healthcare. The feedback from my patients has been overwhelmingly positive as well. They always come back appreciating the quick scheduling and the professional care that they've received from the GetScanned platform. Partnering with GetScanned has been a really positive experience for me, my team, and my patients. The process is simple, the service is exceptional, and the benefits are clear. Join me and many others in improving patient care with GetScanned. Your patients will thank you for it.